Welcome, wondrous millionaires. Today, we are diving into an interesting topic, which is top 10 money secrets straight from the playbook of the world's wealthiest individuals from our luxury segment. These secrets aren't just about making money, they're about cultivating a mindset and adopting strategies that pave the way to unimaginable success. So, grab your notepad and get ready to dive into the wealth building wisdom of the elite. Number 1. The power of compound interest. Millionaires, let's talk about the magic of compound interest. It's like planting a seed that grows into a mighty tree over time. Take the example of India's very own Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, often dubbed the Warren Buffett of India. He started with just a few thousand rupees and patiently allowed compound interest to work its wonders, growing his wealth exponentially over the years. Number 2. Multiple streams of income. Diversify, diversify, diversify. That's the mantra of the ultra-rich. Take inspiration from Indian entrepreneur Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw, who built Biocon into a powerhouse not just in pharmaceuticals but also in biotechnology and research services. By having multiple streams of income, you safeguard yourself against economic downturns and maximize your earning potential. Number 3. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is the best investment you can make. Indian cricket legend Sachin Tendulkar didn't just rely on his natural talent, he continuously honed his skills through practice, discipline, and seeking guidance from coaches. Whether it's acquiring new skills, furthering your education, or improving your health, investing in yourself pays dividends that can't be measured in rupees alone. Number 4. Think long-term. Short-term thinking leads to short-lived success. Look at Indian business tycoon Azim Premji, who transformed Wipro from a small vegetable oil manufacturer into a global IT services giant through his long-term vision and strategic decisions. Millionaires don't chase quick gains, think long-term and lay the foundation for lasting wealth. Number 5. Embrace failure. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's a stepping stone to success. Take the example of Indian startup unicorn Flipkart, founded by Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal. Despite facing numerous setbacks and challenges along the way, they persevered and eventually built one of India's most successful e-commerce platforms. Embrace failure, learn from it, and let it propel you forward on your journey to riches. Number 6. Network like a pro. Your network is your net worth. Indian business magnate Mukesh Ambani didn't achieve his staggering success in isolation. He leveraged his extensive network to forge lucrative partnerships and seal groundbreaking deals. Millionaires cultivate relationships, attend networking events, and never underestimate the power of a strong professional network in propelling you towards financial abundance. Number 7. Continuous learning. The world is constantly evolving, and so should you. Take a leaf out of the book of Indian-American billionaire Vinod Khosla, who co-founded Sun Microsystems and later established Khosla Ventures. He attributes his success to his insatiable thirst for knowledge and his willingness to adapt to new technologies and trends. Stay curious, keep learning, and stay ahead of the curve. Number 8. Don't follow the crowd. The masses are often wrong. Indian investor Rakesh Jhunjhunwala didn't achieve his status as one of India's most successful investors by blindly following the crowd. He trusted his instincts, did his own research, and made contrarian bets that paid off handsomely. Millionaires dare to be different and don't be afraid to go against the grain in pursuit of extraordinary wealth. Number 9. Give back to society. True wealth is not just about money, it's about making a meaningful impact. Look at Indian philanthropist Azim Premji, who has donated billions of dollars towards education through his foundation. Giving back not only helps others but also brings immense fulfillment and purpose to your life as a millionaire. Number 10. Persistence pays off. Success rarely happens overnight. Indian actress and producer Ekta Kapoor faced numerous rejections and setbacks before establishing herself as one of the most influential figures in the Indian entertainment industry. Millionaires, remember that persistence is key. Keep pushing forward, even when the odds seem stacked against you. And as you all know, for sticking around us all the way to the end, you've earned a bonus point. Number 11. Stay humble. No matter how much wealth you amass, never lose touch with your humility. Indian business magnate Ratan Tata exemplifies this principle, known for his down-to-earth demeanor and philanthropic efforts. Stay humble, stay grounded, and always remember the values that truly matter in life. Wondrous millionaires, remember these 10 money secrets from the world's wealthiest individuals. Harness the power of compound interest, diversify your income streams, invest in yourself, think long-term, embrace failure, network like a pro, never stop learning, trust your instincts, give back to society, and above all, stay humble. By adopting these principles, you'll be well on your way to joining the ranks of the world's financial elite. So millionaires, which of these money secrets resonates with you the most? And how are you planning to incorporate it into your wealth building journey? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive insights into the world of wealth creation. Together, let's unlock the secrets to becoming truly wondrous millionaires. We'll see you again.